Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Good news, bad news, whatever the case, crypto market is not going to withstand this global economical crisis. And I believe that we are going to go further down. Now, before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's go right now to jobs report. And we had the unemployment rate falls to 3.5 in September. Anticipation was 3.7%. Payrolls rise by 263,000 and the anticipation I think was 275,000 USDT. You can see right here that the non-farm payrolls increased 263,000 for the month. The unemployment rate was 3.5%, sorry, down 0.2 percentage point as the labor force participation rate edged lower. Okay, so right now, these are the good bad news, as we call it, because the market right here went to have a mini crash in the lower time frames. Now, what we want to see for BTC and the crypto market in general is this something good? Is this something bad? Is this something that we are going all the way right down or all the way back up? For me personally, I think that we are going to see further correction coming in. If we go to the 4-hour frame, this was a bad correction happening. However, it was due to the reports, and basically though, I was expecting, to be honest with you, a correction coming in over the next hours. Right now though, we want to see if this correction is the start of something bigger. What I mean by that, of more correction coming into the markets. If we go to the daily frame right there, we are going to see that we are having a huge risk with the commodity channel index, huge risk with the stochastic RSI and the double top pattern. You can see right here we had 2 times overbought situation and the market went nowhere. We just had a bump of around plus 3% followed by a plus 3.61. And then we just went all the way down. Now we want to see what is next for BTC and eventually where are we going. I'm not anticipating the next month to be good. I'm anticipating the Fed to hike the rates and therefore we are going to have more bad news coming into the markets and the markets are probably going to crash. Now what is next for Bitcoin? As you all know, I have the support level at the 16.2k followed by the 15.8. I think that most of the people are anticipating a lower price, but I'm anticipating this one right here, and then we have a huge week to the upside. We are going to see though falling down, BTC falling down all the way back down here, and at the same time this is a minus 17% to minus 19% correction. This is a huge correction that will affect the altcoins as well. Altcoins will dip deeper into the lows of around minus 17 to minus 20%, maybe even from minus 20 to minus 30%. Okay, so you have to be extremely careful about what the market is going to do next. What are we going to do? What to expect for the market and stuff like that. For the time being, the news and of course the whole crypto, the technical analysis, the price analysis, everything is against us. It is not going to help. And of course the fact that right now we had this mini crash at the lower time frames, which on the daily frame we are just down minus 1.59%, nothing special. At the same time though, I'm anticipating this correction to be longer and to go all the way further down to retest, first of all, the 18.7k, and secondly, lower targets of around 17.6k and so on in the huge week, down to the 15.9 to 16.2k. Personally, what I'm believing about the crypto market is that we are going to see something like this, then a pump going on the sideways, and then finally we are going to be ready to pump again. If I'm wrong and the correction is not going to be only towards these targets, but at the same time Bitcoin is going down to 14k, then expect that the altcoins will meet the worst way possible, probably going a minus 50% of where we are right now. So I want you to be extremely careful out of these price targets. This is though for the next 2 months. These are a whole picture of Bitcoin is for the next 2 months. Okay, for the 4-hour frame and the daily frame, still we are going to see a correction, but we are going to go sideways as well. So we are going to do something like this before we are ready to fall down even more and to take a more correction happening. Okay, so be careful a little bit. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.